Hello, beautiful traders. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Desmond Samuel, and I'm back with yet another episode of our weekly Forex Forecast. Now, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, this is a segment of my YouTube channel that I've actually put aside to comment on here every single weekend to give you guys the best trading opportunities for the weeks ahead, and then also give you guys a rundown of the recent occurrence across the board for the FX market. Now, without wasting any much time, I urge you guys because stay through to the end of this video because I like to leave the absolute best pair for the last. And then also, if you're seeing this video, I like to assume that you want to make money this Q4, that is the end of 2024, guys. If you've not made money from January, February, March, all the way down to August, right now, do not worry. All right, all you have to do is to make sure that you subscribe and then turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop a gem like this, you're always among the very first few to see and then take action. You know why? Because these videos always drop on Saturday, weekend, and then by the time you see it, I don't want you seeing it by Tuesday or Monday when the moves have already begun to play out. All right, so make sure that you turn on the post notification so that the email updates you and then also get a notification once I drop a video. All right, so without wasting any much time, let's get in. The first pair of money is now is called the euro dollar. Justifiably so, guys. This is like the easiest pair to trade. Most this has the cleaner structure in my opinion, at least from my 5 years of trading. I can tell you this for free. Yeah. Now, on the weekly time frame, we've seen a very significant drop. But let's go from the monthly time frame and then see how things look. So from the monthly time frame, oops, okay. So from the monthly time frame, we've had like a decent drop so far. Let me just plot these guys closely and see what we have. So we're technically out of the downtrend as far as trend line is concerned. We are out of the downtrend, and let's say we are out of the downtrend as far as trend line is concerned. First trend line is taken out, so let's try an outer, sorry, a much inner trend line, and then see what we have. Okay, so we do have one more trend line left for us to clear. So once we clear this trend line here, we'll technically be. But guys, I'm actually bullish on the euro dollar. Yeah, so no worries. Let's go. So scaling down to the daily time frame here. I mean, from the monthly time frame, we could see that that this month is looking very very bullish. As in, this is an engulfing candle. You get this is the monthly engulfing candle, engulf 1, 2, 3, 4, practically every other thing that's happened here. You get so this is huge. However, we could see a minor pullback on this candle, maybe to this midway down here, and then before we blow through the sky, because this is a failed double top. Mind you, this is break above, pullback, test one, indecision candle for a bullish engulfing candle. Technically, this right here was a sign of a bullish run, all right? Because whenever you're having a market collapse, this is what you most likely get, right? Or this is what you most likely followed by a bearish candle. But since this was a bullish candle, this pretty much invalidated this whole move right from here, right from November 2023. All right, so now long story short here, this is where we're at, and getting down to the daily time frame here, we have created demand levels, have a couple of demand levels to play with now. And if you look closely, the first one was here, which I caught up for you guys, and we made money from it. Kudos to you guys that took the trade. Also now in the course of rallying from here to here, now we've created demand level. All right, we've created one more demand level, and that is somewhere around here, like so. I see one right here. Like so this is a solid demand level here that we've created, and if I bring my fibs from swing low to swing high, you can clearly see that this is where we are at the moment. So this is a decent point to be looking for the euro to pull back to 1.09500, and then we can now start blowing through the sky. Obviously once all is said and done, I'll be here to let you guys know the first level target is obviously this high, a recent high, and then subsequently once we blow through this barrier, this exposes the 1.2200 region, which I have been calling out for you guys. Remember, guys, I'm the first to do this on YouTube. Like literally, I'm the first telling you guys that the dollar is gonna collapse. Dollar is gonna crash. Once you break through 100 level, it is gone. You get, if you can break through that blue bar, which I'm showing you guys in a couple of minutes here, we are gone. You get, we are gone. Best believe. All right. So, and this will send all these pairs, the euro pair rallying to the sky, gold to the sky, silver to the sky, AUDUSD to the sky, NZD to the sky. pound sterling to the sky. All right. However, you can actually capitalize on these moves if you continuously consume my YouTube content. For those of you guys who are actually wondering, like you want to know how I execute my trades, I urge you to go over, just go and start watching my weekly outlook from episode 1 all the way to this point. You will actually get to understand what I'm talking about. All right. Entries are so easy once you get the direction right. All right. So long story short, we need to see a pullback like something like this on this pair. So once this is done, once this is achieved, you can now blow through the sky. All right, so it's easy peasy. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is exactly what it looks like. We need to see the market do this. All right, pull into the demand level here, and then we can now rally higher from there. All right. So first level target for this guy is 1 point. By the way, we have actually smashed a TP from our previous weekly outlook. All right, so previous 2 weekly outlooks, I think. So now once this pullback is confirmed, first level target will be 1.12009, and then subsequently it should rally all the way to 1.2200 region. All right, so that's that for the euro dollar. Next pair on my money now is the pound sterling. GBPUSD, guess this is the one. All right, so for the pound sterling here, it also it has a similar structure to that of the euro dollar. All right, so this is what happened here. We came in here into the demand levels, and then we gave up a double bottom here. So this is an entry criteria. All right, for those of you guys watching, this is an entry criteria where you have the bounce of a demand level. So let me just show you guys something real quick. So this is that demand level. Yeah, as you can see. So this is a bounce. This is an engulfing candle on 4-hour time frame. So you either go with this or you use a counter trend line. Feel me? You either go with this or use the counter trend line. Easy peasy. However, to spot this demand and supply levels here, you have to enroll for the course, because I mean I take the guide from top to bottom, from beginner's level all the way to expert level, sky high. So long story short here, for the pound sterling here, we need to see the market pull back into the demand level here. I do see I mean, I see this guy pulling back deeply. I'm not sure if he would actually blow below here, but I actually see this guy as the demand level to watch out for. All right, so long story short, the pound sterling should drop, all the way to 1.2900 region. So once it's concerned, 1.2900, as you can see here. Let me use the green bar to show you guys real quick. So once this is done here, we should then rally higher. First level target is obviously 1.32304, and then once this is breached, we have space to the upside. We have about 1.4200 region. So that's about, let's say, plus or minus, you have about 1,000 pips to the upside. All right, once this buy is cleared, you have 1,000 pips to the upside. You're hearing it here first. Once this buy is cleared here, once 1.32174 is closed, like we have a daily engulfing kind of break above and close. After the pullback here, though, we are free and clear to 1.4200 region. All right. So next pair on my list now is AUDUSD. So for a very long time, people have been calling this pair to the downside. I don't know exactly why people call this pair to the downside. This guy is bullish. So has been bullish for a long time right now. Yeah. So long story short here, this is what it looks like on the monthly time frame. All right. So on the monthly time frame here, we have actually put in. So I have been calling out this. Okay, let me just do this. It's easy for you guys. So on the weekly time frame, if you guys remember my episode, my last 3 episodes of a weekly outlook, I had said to you guys that the market, I was visualizing this guy dropping all the way to this bar right here, and he did. Okay, he actually did. Now, how I did not take this trade, I don't know, man. But because I was waiting for the upside move. I wasn't really interested in the sell off. However, I told you guys that it was gonna happen, and it just happened. So on the daily time frame here, this is where we stand as things are right now. This is headed to 0.700 as far as I'm concerned, and as far as technical analysis is concerned, this is headed to 0.70000 region. Yeah. And then we need to see this guy pull back. So first, to take a trade here, we need to see this guy pull back to this demand level here. We have a demand level, solid demand level somewhere around here. like so. So we have to see this guy pull back, deeply into the demand level here. Let us see, what the market is going to do around the 0.66000 region, which is somewhere around here. So once that market pulls back here, watch for an engulfing candle, same way we saw for the pound sterling here. We scale down to our 4-hour time frame and then see what the market has to do. All right, let's just watch closely and then see. Once all is said and done here, and the pullback is confirmed, we should blow through the sky. And obviously, first level target is just here at about maybe 400 pips. And then if we do clear this 0.700 region, ladies and gentlemen, we are actually clear all the way to the to the upside. All right, we actually clear to the upside, but I'm still watching these guys closely to monitor these guys closely. Once this pair is because this is a monthly level, guys. This is a solid level. The market has tried severally. It's not today that's tried severally. So it take a lot to break through this guy. So once this is done here, we have space to the upside, obviously to the next supply level, and then once it's cleared, if it doesn't hold, we have space to 0.80072. However, medium term, I see this guy coming into this yellow bar first, gain momentum, and then give us an entry opportunity, and then we'll ride this guy all the way to 0.70000 region. All right. So next pair now on my list is NZD USD. NZD USD also has a similar structure with all of these, XSS USD pairs. All right, so this is where things stand for this pair at the moment. I have been calling this guy. I said that we need to come in here and then fold. We folded, came on here, and then now rallying. So long story short here, if I bring her on my trend like so, you can see that we are actually out of any downtrend that the market has to give. Okay, as far as trend line is concerned, we are out of that. All right, so things are starting to point to the upside now, with a medium term target being 0.64000 region. So once I scale down to the daily time frame, this is how things look on the daily time frame. Yeah, we have a demand level somewhere around here, like so. So this is a very decent demand level to go long from. So what we need to see here is the market, melting all the way back down to 0.60000 region, which happens to be a rounded figure. Once it melts into the rounded figure, here we have space all the way to, we have, hold on, sorry guys, my mouse is acting up. Me and my mom have a bittersweet relationship, guys. So from here to here, we have about 370 people to go. But before this happens, we need to see this guy, fall all the way back, because now we are actually around a major, supply level. So I'm watching closely. We would definitely fold from here. All right. So once we fold and then melt all the way to 0.60000 region, we should blow all through the sky to 0.63694 as a medium-term target. And then obviously subsequently, once this is cleared here, we have space all the way to 0.73000 region, all right, for NZD USD. So next pair on my list now will be XAUUSD gold. So I have been seeing people talk about gold in diverse ways, in funny ways, right? So I'm here to demystify this and make this thing clearer and clearer and clearer, and as clear as the word clear to you guys. All right. So first of all, let's do a top-down analysis. Let me just take you guys through gold. All right. So this is gold here, history. If it's gold history, guys. So we have been in this range here for 10 years. Is it 10 years? For 4 years actually, sorry. So we've been in this range for 4 years, bouncing up and down here since 2020. This is the end of this is almost Q4 in 2024. At the time I'm making this video. So here, from here to here, now we're putting about 4,000 pips. So on blowing out here, the market has to give us an equal amount of pips, and that is exactly what the market is doing at the moment. Long story short, I do see this go rallying into the regions of about 2,600 dollars per ounce, which is somewhere around here, which is the market is so close to, right? So now that is done, now let's talk about here what's happening here now. So once you go down to the daily time frame here, so we have demand levels scattered everywhere. First one is here, demand level here. We have another demand level here, which market has reflected severally, and then we have another demand level here, We have another demand level somewhere around here as well. All right, so the final one is here. Okay, so what this actually means is that we have, much more room to the upside to play with. So if I'm plotting my trend line like so, my trend line looks like this. You understand? So this is how my trend line looks at the moment here. First touch, second touch, third touch here, did the magic and then we blew through the sky. Um, so long story short here on 4 hour time frame currently with the current price action. So what we should be looking out for here is for the market to pull back into 2,444 basis the dollars and ounce region. So once this is done here, we should see this guy blow through all the way to 2,600 dollars per ounce, easy peasy. All right, so what you need to do first, you can see that after the market historically at least this is as far back as July, so it's not like it's 10 years ago. This is literally July. You see that when the market rallied and it created a demand level here, settled here, created a demand level, then blew through, then came back again to test it. That is what happens in the market. Believe me, when this happens, you're likely to be right 9.5 times out of 10 times if you follow with risk management. You get it is clean and it's possible. You can see here demand created, rally, came back, tested, rally. Demand created here, rally. It is going to come back to test for rallies. All right. So long story short, we need to see the market pull back into 2,444 region, 2,440 region rather. And then once this is done, here, we should actually blow through the sky all the way to 2,600, dollars per ounce. So next up now is XAUUSD actually. So silver. So silver also has upside, potential. From our initial analysis, I had called out silver to the upside. I said to you guys, that once the counter trend line gets broken out, that we should see silver headed all the way up to $32, per ounce for a start, and that is exactly what is happening. I can't find my. Hold on, guys. Just give me a sec. All right. Okay, all right, guys. So for silver, I had done my analysis. Now most of you guys who are actually watching this could be new, so you can always go back and watch my previous episode and then look at how we called out silver right from the bottom here. All right, so long story short, the counter trend line was the criteria for entry, and this was done here, and we have space to the upside. All right, so long story short, here silver is headed to $32 per ounce for a start, and then once this is clear, we have space all the way to $35 per ounce for silver. I see no reason as to why this shouldn't happen. If you're late to this trade, I would advise you wait for a pullback. Maybe look for any consolidation somewhere around here. Now, this is a demand level to work with. All right, so this is a demand level. Although I don't see this one holding, but peradventure we for some reason rally from here. That is, as we have bounced off of here, we continue higher. Then the point that you should be waiting out for a pullback should be this black, should be yellow bar right here. However, in the event that we actually start to melt, which I believe that we will melt, we should actually wait for it at the entry point, which was about 27.671, per ounce. All right, so that is just that for silver. We are clear to the upside. I've been calling out this pair since God knows when. I think since July, literally, or since April. Urging you guys to prepare yourselves that we're definitely going long on silver, and then I said that a lot of you guys missed it, and if you missed it, sorry for you. However, long story short, this guy headed to $32 per ounce, and then obviously, once that is clear, we have space to $35 per ounce. All right, so next up now is now for the JPY pairs, guys. I urge you guys, if you have any JPY trade open, I urge you guys to close it at the moment, because I just noticed that we have actually blown through the trend line here on the Japanese index. So this is looking like we could actually go higher on the index. And if you go higher on the index, what has happened is that we go lower on the other pairs like the CAD JPYs, the GBP JPYs, the USD JPYs, the CHF JPYs, the ZRR JPYs. So you have to close your trade at the moment and then await my next update. All right. So for next pair now should be AUDCHF is headed down. All right, so AUDCHF the only reason as to why AUDUSD has not collapsed yet is due to the fact that dollar is weakening and the AUDUSD keeps on buying, right? It keeps buying. So, but notwithstanding, yeah, this pair is headed down. You heard me. This pair is headed down. So what you should be doing now, if you're actually late to this show, like if you're seeing this video for the first time here about this pair, this is your best time to go short. All right, this is your best time to go short on this pair. You can easily make a lot of money going short on this pair. This is decent. This is at the bottom of your neckline break and retest here, and then this is daily time frame. Obviously, the overall trend is bearish. Now, don't get me wrong. Let me just show you guys real quick. The overall trend on this pair is actually very, very bearish, very for a very, very long time, and very long time, all right, for years and years. So now, what you should be looking at for is now just get down to your 4-hour time frame. Wait for a decent pullback. All right. So actually, let me check something real quick. Okay, so for those of you guys who are actually new here, like if you're just seeing this pair for the first time, what you should be looking at for is something like this. All right, so I know that most of us have our entry somewhere around here already, the early entries. So just wait for something like this, a break of counter trend, and here the entries are made, the stops are below, are above structure. So next panel on my list should be NZD Center has nothing much going on for now. BTC is playing games, so let's leave BTC at the moment. Nasdaq should give us a pullback real quick. All right, so for Nasdaq, we are still bullish on Nasdaq. However, for those of you guys who would like to go short on Nasdaq, just await this counter trend line breaking. Once you see a decent counter trend line breaking, this guy should melt. Already, you can see that we're putting a bearish engulfing candle for our time frame candle around this supply level. So we should see this guy melt all the way down to probably let me see. So we could see this guy mount all the way down here, all right, just to gather some more momentum before we actually continue higher. But long story short, I'm bullish on Nasdaq, bullish on S&P 500 as well, and then all on obviously US 30. Um, let me check something real quick. Yeah, the SPX has smashed at TP. You guys, I quartered this guy from here. You guys saw my previous two videos. I quartered the S&P 500 from this point. I said that once, and then this also confirms what is happening on gold and other pairs. You can see that once we break above any level, and we create a new demand level and a rally, we tend to come back and test that level before continue higher. You feel me? So the first TP was somewhere around here, and then we smashed it already. And now I'm waiting for the market to pull back here. We could see a pullback, or we could go above. If we break above here, my target remains 6,400 basis points right from our previous video. All right. Long story short here, even if it pulls back here, I'm buying again. Prime target is 6,400 basis points for S&P 500. All right, I don't care what the market does around here. We are coming here directly. Next pair now should be oil. So US oil, I called out oil on this channel for you guys, and we have smashed TP. Now currently the market is just pulling back, just playing games. So trades are locked in, I believe. Trades are locked in, and then yeah, so we have made some banks on oil. You guys heard me call oil right from this point here. You feel me? Like I said, the market breaks a level, creates a supply level, rallies a bit, come back to test it, then comes back fully to test it for a bigger pullback, which also matches most times with the Fibonacci. That's why you must always learn how to use your fibs. All right. Once again, all these things are taught in the course $100. So this guy hit first TP, which was somewhere around here, and then obviously he's gonna react from there. So we need to see this guy melt lower all the way back to $66.95 a barrel for oil. Long story short, here trades are locked already, so it shouldn't, should in case this guy choose to come and stop us out here, that's fine. But trades are locked in already. Um, next pair now should be Ethereum. Also has some more room to the upside to pull back. So USCHF trades running. I send these trades all the way to my Telegram community for free. By the way, the link is in the description of this video. What other pair has any potential for us? Pound CHF has potential for us to the downside. All right. Long story short here, overall trend is bearish, very, very bearish. overall trend very bearish. As you can see here, all these weeks, all these long weeks, we still head down, we still head lower. All right, so the daily time frame, this is what it looks like on daily time frame. So this was a double top here, double top neckline break, retest, continuation. All right, that's no reason as to why these guys. So the only thing holding AUD and pound CHF from dropping is the fact that AUDUSD is rallying, likewise pound USD. All right, then also Euro CHF as well. So these are the pairs that I believe that are going to play out in the coming weeks as we see the dollar start to regain some medium term strength. So for Euro CHF, I sent out this pair to my Telegram community. As you can see here, it is very simple textbook entries. All right, this trend is bearish. So first of all, identify a trend on the higher time frame, then scale down to the lower time frame, and then do what you have to do. All right. So this is exactly how it looks here. It is very decent, very straightforward. No games. This was one of the easiest trades to break down. All right. So we came on here. Demand level, so supply level was created actually. Sorry, beg your pardon. So we came on here. Supply was created here. We went back to test it, collapsed. Counter trend line was the entry. Same likewise here on our way down, we created a supply level here, and then we went back to test it, and then counter trend line break collapsed. All right, so easy peasy. Entries were made at the close of this counter trend line of this candle outside of the counter trend line here. Then stops we put above. This trade was sent out to my Telegram community, and we are still holding this trade at the moment. So the only reason as to why this guy is delaying is because euro is sky high, pound is sky high, dollar is weak as hell. All right. So, however, I see this guy dropping, all the way down this week. So, if you're seeing this video now, and you're thinking, or you're wondering if you should hop on this trade by every means necessary, by every means necessary, do so. However, apply proper risk management as well. All right. So, last but not the least, now let me see. Let me see KCHF also slowing down because of this whole laxity, with the pairs. I understand that. I understand, guys. Right? I understand. So last pair on our list now is have I called out the Japanese yen pairs? These pairs are just not ready. The pound yen, card yen, New Zealand dollar yen, they're not ready yet. All right. So let's talk the XY. All right. So to round things up here, we have the XY. Okay. So the XY has been an absolute bullet. I put it that way. This guy has been dropping crazy, and this is a monthly time frame, and this is looking heavy. This is looking huge. This is an engulfing candle on a monthly time frame. And then you guys know that whenever things like this happen, the market tends to follow through. Like it may pull back to at least half of the entire move, but it drops. Totally drops. You get. So now, long story short here, on the weekly time frame, what's that? On the weekly time frame, yeah. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. So this trend line here that has held this guy up is broken. It's broken, and it is now giving us a head and shoulders pattern. This is head, shoulder, shoulder. This is the neckline here. Once this is breached, once is what, as you can see, we have first of all smashed our targets for the XY, which I called out in our previous video. Now once this level is breached, like we blow through, we have space, guys. First target for the XY is 95.141. You heard? Hey, this thing, it sounds like a joke, but believe me, dollar is crashing. You guys are looking at a proper crash before you, like this. By the time the interest rate gets cut, this is melting. This is melting. All right. So prepare yourselves, guys. Prepare your money as well, because something big, something huge is coming to the forex world, to the finance world. Prepare yourself. You guys have started hearing all sorts of, and a pandemic is coming, flying in and out. All right. So just be careful, and then plan your trades accordingly. If you can get your technical strategy between now and election period of the US, all right, you can make a lot of money. I kid you not, you make a lot of money. What you need to do is enroll for the course, learn how to trade properly, do your practice and practice. Give yourself time to give yourself time, consistent, undiluted efforts, guys. I kid you not. It took tears, it took sleepless nights to get here. You feel me? So give yourself time, and watch what happens. If you can figure your technicals right and capital right before the US election at the end of this year, you make a lot of money. Believe me, because the dollar is gonna crash. I'm Robert, you have me here. I'm always eager to come here to tell you guys what is about to happen. Believe me, dollar is headed to 95.141. If we breach 100.677 region, which is obviously gonna happen because this is heavy. This is heavy at the moment. All right, so now getting down to the daily time frame here. We have put in a double top, no doubt. We've smashed demand levels, solid demand levels, monthly demand levels, and weekly demand levels. No doubt. We are definitely going to see a reaction from here. Believe me, definitely see a reaction from here. And on our way down here, we created a supply level here. So from here to here, you see that it matches decently with this level here. So what we need to see is the market need to pull back once again, regain some ground, and then just melts. All right, just blow through. All right, so my prime target for the XY, once you, if we can blow through this blue bar to the downside here, my prime target for the XY is 95.141. However, before that happens, we need to see a pullback to somewhere around 103.387. So once this is done, I don't see a decent confirmation. You guys can go long on pound yen, sorry, on pound USD, Euro USD, AUDUSD, and obviously NZD USD as well. All right, so I think that's that for that. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. By the way, like, subscribe, comment, leave a turn on the post notification bar, and then make sure you share these videos with your Telegram members, with your Twitter followers, your Instagram people. Share the videos, guys, and then be sure to help every other person as well, because this video caters to every level of trader that you are, be it even advanced or beginners or expert professional, whatever thing, fund manager, anything you have going on. My channel is multi-dimensional. It serves every purpose. It serves every person at every level. So make sure that you do them that favor to make this video go viral to them, and then help them see as well. Then hopefully they can subscribe and then get me to 2K. Right? So thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in the next episode. Now, once again, my name is Desmond Samuel, and then I'll see you guys in the next episode of Forex Forecast. All right, thank you, guys, and peace out.